Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable keyboard vibration in Realme Note 50. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to setting. As the keyboard appear, you guys see we have option of settings here. So just click on settings and then go to preference. After that, scroll it down. So you see the option of haptic feedback on key press. Just all you guys have to do is just disable it. So the keyboard vibration is now off. So this is how we can disable keyboard vibration in Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care. To appear the keyboard. So